Hello friends, welcome to the hydraulics lab. Today we are going to discuss third experiment, and the experiment is to calibrate the venturi meter and to study the variation of coefficient of discharge, means CD value, with respect to the Reynolds number. Very important. The first and foremost thing is, what is venturi meter? We all know that venturi meter is a flow measuring device, means the device that is used to measure the discharge in a flow. What is the meaning of calibration? This is very important. Calibration means that we are in a position to find a definite relationship between the discharge and the pressure difference. If we can frame some fixed relationship between the pressure difference variation to the discharge discharge of the flow, then this is known as calibration. Now another point that arises in mind is, what is pressure difference? So the pressure difference that is to be calculated in venturi meter is at two positions. We all know what is venturi meter. Venturi meter has a diverse section, then it has a converging section. A throat is connected between the diverging and the converging section. So this pressure difference is to be measured between the throat and a section at the upstream of the venturi meter. So we have, if you can see this, our instrument, this is venturi meter. This is venturi meter. It is a venturi meter where we have this broader cross section. You can see this is broader cross section. Now there is a converging cross section. You can see it has converged. This portion is known as throat, or you can say neck. Then again it has diverged. So diverging, then converging, then diverging. Now we are trying to find the relationship between discharge and the pressure difference. You can see that there are piezometers attached. There are piezometers attached at all the levels, at different levels of the piezometer. Since this piezometer is horizontal, we are trying to find the pressure difference at the upstream section and the throat section. So if you can see that this throat section, the pipe A, B, C and D, this D pipe is attached to the throat section and A pipe is attached at the upstream of the venturi meter. Now we have allowed our discharge to pass through it. This is a nozzle through which we alter the discharge, and this is complete discharge measuring device. What we do, the whatever water is collected, we are collecting here, and for a particular time we are trying to read the reading, that what is the discharge value in liters per minute or per second, whatever is the convenient time, we take that time. Okay. Now to start the experiment, what we do is, for a given fixed discharge, since the discharge is constant at this fixed discharge value, we are focusing on piezometer A and piezometer D. Since this piezometer is connected to this cross section portion and D is connected to this cross section at throat and at upstream of the venturi meter, we can now find the area of the cross section at A and D location. This area at cross section can be found by knowing the diameter at A and D section. So the dia at A section is 26 mm and dia at D section is 16 mm. This is very important. That dia will be used to calculate the area later on. Now discharge, we know this is actual discharge that is passing through the venturi meter, and we know the pressure difference at pipe A and pipe D. You can see the reading right now. See, the pipe A shows 40. The pipe A shows 40 mm height, 40.4. Okay. And if we measure from the base, so this is actually horizontal level measuring point. So this is 40 mm and this is D point. So this is at higher level, I guess. Okay. Now you can see we can alter the water level. So this is at say 40 and this is at say 35 approximately. So we can now measure the head difference at pipe A and pipe B. all we have to do is we need to now fill the table and find the value of CD. What is CD? Coefficient of discharge. Coefficient of discharge is actually actual discharge to the theoretical discharge. We know actual discharge will always be less than theoretical discharge, so the CD value will be always less than 1. But in case of Venturi meter, since the relationship is to be calculated coefficient of discharge with Reynolds number, so in Venturi meter generally the CD value is in the range of 0.98 to 0.99. When we are going to calibrate this, we will find this CD value and we will try that the CD value should be in the range of 0.98 to 0.99, because CD value for the Venturi meter is 0.9. That is why this is very close to the actual discharge. Means theoretical discharge, actual discharge is almost 98% of the theoretical discharge. 0.98 means this only. Now you can see the table, how the data will be filled up. So this is the table and this is the governing formula, that is Q theoretical is CD into A2 upon under root of 1 minus A2 upon A1 square into 2GH. What is this A2 and A1? A1 is the cross-sectional area of a pipe and A2 is the cross-sectional area of a throat, and that area can be calculated by measuring the diameter. So what is the dia of? So dia of pipe is 26 mm and dia of throat is 16 mm. So this is location A and this is location D in the piezometer. This is A and this is D. So dia is 26 mm and 16 mm. Now see the table. We know we have for the particular discharge this volume we know, this time we know. For volume and time we get actual velocity, actual discharge. We know the head difference, H1 I know, H2 I know. The difference can be calculated from H1 to H2. Now QA is known. So this in this formula QA is known, we can calculate QTH. This QTH is equal to CD A2 upon under root of 1 minus A2 square and 2GH. We know A2, we know this expression, we know root 2GH, and the CD of value is Q actual upon Q theoretical. So everything is known in this equation and we can proceed the calculation. So what I will do is I will share this value, H1 value, H2 value, volume value, time value, and Q actual can be calculated. This Q theoretical can be also be calculated using this formula, CD A1 upon 2GH. So we know this H, we know this A2, this A1, we know the actual value. So CD is equal to what? Q actual and Q theoretical. So we can calculate Q theoretical everywhere. Once Q theoretical is known, you can have this ratio. You can also calculate Reynolds number. Reynolds number is what? Rho into V into D upon mu. This velocity is to be calculated at the upstream portion of the Venturi meter. That is, when we will adopt this area will be A1. This area, pipe. Okay, and this Q will be actual Q. It should be actual Q. Okay, so V into D upon mu, and D is the diameter of the pipe, that is at section 1, A section, and mu we know standard value of viscosity of water, that we can know, we know it at critical temperature what is the value. So this value can also be adopted. So in this way you can completely fill this table. What I will do is I will send you the PDF of this experiment. You can have this reading, and you can, now you are very much aware how to take the reading, what is the device, what is the method to calculate every parameters. Now in your, I will upload this data in Google Classroom in your WhatsApp group. If you have any query related to reading, related to apparatus, related to any of this topic that has been left unclear, you can definitely message me. Hope I am clear. We will see you in next experiment. Bye. Have a good day.